Non-invasive liquid flow meters play an important role where process interruptions and contamination are not acceptable and where an easy clamp-on installation is required. The new S461 Ultrasonic Clamp-on flow meter from SUTO-iTEC offers unmatched features. Measures the actual flow and total consumption. Bidirectional measurements. Through additional temperature sensor, it can be used as energy meter to monitor heat exchanger. Robust industrial design with versatile installation options for display unit. Pipe installation. Wall installation. DIN rail installation. Can be used in stationary and portable application. Internal data logger. Measurement log files can be downloaded through the mobile app or by using the free S4A software. The S461 is using the transit time principle to measure the flow velocity in a pipe. Due to the nature of this principle, flow profile effects are automatically averaged out, resulting in accurate readings at any flow rate. The local display provides the actual sensor readings, as well as status information about the proper installation, alarms, and other valuable information for the operators. One of the unique features of S461 is its wireless communication interface. The instrument connects easily to the mobile app S4C US, which is used for configuration and data analysis. The app runs on Android and on iOS systems, allowing a much better user experience compared to conventional flow meters, where settings have to be entered through a few keys on the instrument. All measurement data and settings are available at your fingertips and can be changed conveniently. The installation menu displays the crucial parameters for setting up the flow meter. A detailed installation video is available to get familiar with the installation steps. After the proper setup, the measurement values are shown on the local screen and on the mobile app. The unit comes with an integrated data logger. Logger configuration is easily done through the mobile app. The mobile app also allows a convenient way to check for consumption statistics. Daily, weekly, and monthly consumption readings are shown as bar graphs. The S461 not only works as a flow meter, but can also be used as an energy meter to measure the heat and cold energy generated through heat exchangers. For this purpose, users can easily connect additional temperature sensor at the cold and hot site of the heat exchanger. The heat flow and the thermal energy are calculated automatically and displayed on the screen in the S4C US app on any smartphone. The instrument offers various signal outputs: USB port, Modbus TCP, 4 to 20 mA pulse and alarm, Modbus RTU. This all makes the S461 Ultrasonic Flow Meter the most advanced and versatile flow meter on the market. SUTO-iTEC. Be smart. Measure it.